we got a mail call here today. Pull this baby out. It's from Roger. Mr. Fireman 164. Roger's doing a Camaro. Extensive job on it. A lot of work. Doing an excellent, outstanding job. Alright, Roger. We'll get you up on the wall over here on the hood. Alright, here we go. We want to welcome Roger, Mr. Fireman 164, to the hood. Welcome to the hood, Roger. Everyone you get a chance, come watch his channel. Doing a first generation Camaro. Fantastic work on it. Big project. Doing it in his shop at home. So be sure and check him out.